This is just one of a couple of different narrative techniques, or a few different narrative techniques that you can use. It's one that might be familiar to some of you because it's also something that we use when we talk about writing the introduction to a scientific article. So it's a very common narrative template, but we can also use it to craft a scientific story or to turn our research into something more narrative. And we call it the ABT narrative template because it stands for and, but, and therefore. So we start with the and portion. This is where we set up the context, the background. We tell our audience what they should know already or what they need to know in order to follow the rest of the story. This is where you are also going to have to make decisions about what you can assume their knowledge level already is. Then we move into the problem or the contradiction, the but part of the framework. This is where we're going to introduce the challenge or create some sort of tension by indicating a contradiction. Then we get to the consequence or the therefore part of the structure. And this is where we're going to indicate what the resolution or the solution is based on whatever problem it is that we're trying to discuss. So this 3-part template can be very useful for crafting a clear, relevant story for your audience. It's also one that they're quite familiar with because it's used in many different contexts. And that formulaicness helps to make your story more relatable to a wider audience as well.